Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix.NET Framework 3.5 refuses to install on Windows 10, 1809. Type group policy in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click System folder. Double-click, specify settings for optional component installation. Check, enabled option. Check, download repair content and optional features directly from Windows Update. Click Apply, OK. Exit and restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.